Tanner Health, a massive nonprofit healthcare system serving millions in West Georgia and East Alabama, has just made a move that changes everything for patient care. They aren't just buying new machines. They've officially launched Hyro, the leading responsible AI assistant platform designed to revolutionize how medical decisions are supported in real time. But this isn't about robots taking over hospitals. It's about giving doctors and nurses a superintelligent co-pilot that ensures data is secure, governance is tight, and telemedicine expands safely across rural communities. In this video, we break down exactly how this launch works, why it solves the biggest crisis in modern medicine, burnout, and what this means for the future of healthcare you can't ignore. The core of Tanner Health's new initiative is their strategic pivot toward a unified platform called Hyro. This isn't just another software update. It represents a fundamental shift in how the system approaches artificial intelligence integration. By adopting Hyro, which is recognized as the leading solution for building and governing agentic AI applications, Tanner Health has secured a scalable infrastructure that allows them to deploy intelligent assistance without compromising patient safety. The platform enables companies, in this case, a major healthcare nonprofit, to build custom AI agents that can observe data streams and govern interactions securely. Consider the scale of operations here. Serving West Georgia and East Alabama means dealing with diverse demographics, limited resources in rural clinics, and high-stakes medical decisions. Hyro provides the enterprise platform as a service necessary to handle this complexity. It allows Tanner to create specific AI agents that can triage incoming data from various sources, ensuring that every interaction is compliant with strict healthcare regulations. This move signals that they are treating AI not as an experimental toy, but as a core operational utility. The platform's ability to govern these applications securely means that the black box nature of traditional AI is being removed. Instead, Tanner can observe exactly how their agents make decisions, intervene if necessary, and scale successful models across hundreds of different facilities instantly. This level of control is what separates a failed pilot program from a systemic transformation. The real-world impact of this launch becomes most visible in the expansion of their telemedicine capabilities. For years, organizations like Tanner have struggled to reach patients in remote areas without risking data breaches or overwhelming staff with manual coordination. With the new platform, they are leveraging assistance from FCC COVID-19 telehealth program grants that were originally awarded in 2020 to expand their existing InTouch telemedicine platform. The launch of Hyro acts as the engine that powers this expansion, turning a grant-funded project into a fully autonomous, self-sustaining ecosystem. The mechanism here relies on a health management service that regulates and secures patient data with military-grade precision. This is critical because telehealth often suffers from fragmentation. Patients jump between apps, doctors lose records, and communication gaps lead to errors. By integrating the responsible AI assistant platform into their current infrastructure, Tanner creates a seamless bridge. Imagine a scenario where a nurse in rural Alabama receives an alert from an AI agent that has analyzed a patient's vitals and medication history through InTouch, suggesting an immediate telehealth consultation before a crisis occurs. The system handles the scheduling, the data encryption, and the secure video connection initiation automatically. This reduces the administrative burden on staff by nearly 40%, according to industry benchmarks for similar deployments. It allows providers to focus entirely on the human element of care while the AI manages the logistics, ensuring that even the most underserved communities get top-tier medical attention without leaving their homes. While the efficiency gains are staggering, the most critical aspect of Tanner Health's launch is how they balance aggressive automation with rigorous human oversight. There is a prevailing fear in the industry that AI will replace clinical judgment, but the implementation of Hyro specifically addresses this by acting as an augmentation layer rather than a replacement. The platform is designed to assist professionals, not dictate their actions. This is where the concept of agentic AI shines. These agents are programmed with guardrails that ensure they can suggest, analyze, and organize data, but the final decision-making authority remains firmly in the hands of licensed medical practitioners. This approach counters the argument that rapid AI adoption leads to a loss of accountability. By using true Foundry-like governance structures embedded within their workflow, Tanner ensures that every recommendation made by the system is traceable and auditable. If an AI agent suggests a specific treatment protocol based on historical data from hundreds of similar cases, the platform logs exactly why it made that choice, allowing doctors to understand the reasoning before approving or rejecting the suggestion. This transparency builds trust among the staff. It turns the AI into a second pair of eyes that never sleeps and has access to every database in existence, but one that listens to the doctor's expertise above all else. This hybrid model ensures that while technology speeds up diagnostics and administrative tasks, the empathetic, nuanced judgment required for complex patient cases remains human-led, preserving the soul of medical practice even as the machinery around it evolves at lightning speed. So what does this mean for anyone looking to implement similar solutions or simply understand where healthcare is heading? The practical takeaway from Tanner Health's launch is clear. The future belongs to integrated, governed ecosystems, not isolated gadgets. Organizations that try to bolt AI onto old systems without a governing platform like Hyro will find themselves with data silos and security nightmares. Instead, they should look for platforms that offer end-to-end observability and secure scaling. The specific example of Tanner combining FCC grants with a robust enterprise platform shows that funding sources can be maximized when paired with the right technical architecture. Furthermore, this model offers a blueprint for other industries facing similar burnout rates and data overload problems. The key metric to watch isn't just speed, it's the reduction in cognitive load on human workers. By automating the heavy lifting of data retrieval and initial analysis, professionals can dedicate their energy to high-value tasks like patient empathy and complex problem solving. For hospitals considering this path, the lesson is to prioritize governance tools that allow them to observe their AI agents. This ensures that as they scale these technologies across thousands of patients, they maintain full control over outcomes. It proves that responsible innovation doesn't mean slowing down. It means building a smarter foundation that allows you to run faster without crashing. The era of reactive healthcare is ending, replaced by a proactive, data-driven model led by systems like Tanner's new platform. Tanner Health's launch of the Hyro Responsible AI Assistant platform marks a definitive turning point in how nonprofit healthcare systems operate. By integrating secure governance with expanded telemedicine capabilities, they have created a model that reduces burnout, improves patient reach, and maintains rigorous safety standards. The lesson is clear. Success comes from platforms that empower human judgment while automating the mundane, not replacing it entirely. If you want to stay ahead of these critical shifts in medical technology, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of healthcare. Let us know in the comments what other industries you think are ready for this kind